Hello and welcome to UDISE Plus. In today's video, you will learn how to update your mobile number on the portal. Start by logging in using your user ID and password. Once logged in, go to the contact details section available on the dashboard. Click on the view button next to the contact details. Now click on the edit button to make changes. Please note if the edit option is not visible, please contact your MIS team for assistance. Under the head of school mobile field, enter your updated mobile number. After entering the new number, click on the update button. A confirmation message will appear at the top right corner of the screen indicating that the number has been updated successfully, and that's how you have successfully updated your mobile number in UDISE Plus. If you face any issues during the process, please contact technical support or your MIS officer. Stay connected with us for more such useful videos. Thank you.